Nick was watching the race when he suddenly felt something was off. At first, a crack appeared on the bench next to him. Then, the support beam above his head started to fracture, and dust from it fell onto the cars below. A wave of unease washed over him. Moments later, a gust of wind knocked over a nearby gas can, but everyone was so focused on the race that no one noticed the gasoline spilling onto the track. A car that had just exited the pit stop nearly skidded off the track, but luckily, the driver skillfully avoided disaster. What they didn't notice, however, was that the screws on the guardrails had started loosening from the vibrations. Nick's sense of dread grew stronger. Just as he was about to warn his friend, a poster landed beside him, covered with names of deceased race car drivers, almost like an ominous omen. Then he noticed strange words printed on the clothes of the spectators in front of him. Nick couldn't help but look up, only to see that sand was still falling from the cracked support structure above. Just then, a slight breeze brushed past his shoulder, as if someone had touched him lightly.